So right now we have over here, Shay's doing some community laundry. Everybody does laundry a little different. Um, but here's Shay. She has a big purple basin, and she has one of those old-fashioned scrub boards that we used to use back in the day. Better get them clothes clean. So she's getting the clothes. She's scrubbing them up here and washing them, then put them in another one where she's going to be rinsing them and possibly put a little fabric softener. I'm not sure or not. Something like that. So we're doing that. We go to the creek sometimes. Or sometimes we just go and take it to somebody's house and they say, hey, we'll wash it for you. We actually just do something like that. Today we have on the farm day, the guys are out handling all the trash. We have a trash day once a week where we go and get rid of all the trash and take it to the actual dump itself. We try to reuse as much as possible and do as much as we can on our own. And it feels so good not having any water bills, no electric bills, no rent, no nothing. Just getting up, handling what you're doing and what you need to do and making your day through, taking care of things that are going to make your life sustainable and livable. You know, getting laundry done, taking care of the dogs, doing compost, growing things, making sure the plants are watered, you know, chopping the yard. We still got a lot to chop. We got a lot of chopping to do and pruning and all that kind of stuff. We got an ant mound over there we got to get rid of. So there's lots of stuff. You know, there's a lot of work that needs to be done. And, you know, that's why we're inviting people down. We had some people contact and say, hey, can we rent a tent from you and come down and help? And we would love that, you know, because you renting the tents would help us bring funds in because we're totally, you know, self-sufficient now. And it helped bring funds in and then just the manpower. Come down with any skills you have or if stuff you want to learn, you want to help us, which in the meantime, you want to learn something. You want to see what Belize is like. You want to see what off-grid living, the beginning. Because with the beginning stages, you see the end a lot. But we're here at the beginning, and it's actually been a wonderful journey so far. We started moving back here in January of 2024. It is April now. In January, it was just bush and everything back here. And you see now we have a lot of tents up. We have glamping style tents, you know. So we have regular beds and everything in there. And then we have our lots of protection going on. We have about 20 of these boogers running around. So yes, it's getting the laundry done. And I'm going to go right now and work on a few things myself. Join us for the next video. Thanks. Bye. Wait.